10 strategies to take control of your finances and build wealth. Welcome back to Your Finance Lab. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your finances or unsure where to start on your wealth-building journey, you're not alone. The good news is, taking control of your money isn't as complicated as it might seem. With the right strategies, you can stop stressing over your finances and start creating a secure, wealthy future. In today's video, we'll share 10 powerful strategies to help you take control of your finances and build lasting wealth. These are practical, proven steps that anyone can follow no matter where you are in your financial journey. Stick around until the end for a bonus strategy that can supercharge your progress. Let's dive in. Before you can fix your finances, you need to know where you stand. A financial inventory gives you a clear picture of your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Think of it as taking stock of your financial situation so you can create a plan to improve it. When you know your numbers, you can identify opportunities to save, invest, or eliminate wasteful spending. Actionable tips. Write down your monthly income, all expenses, and any debts or assets. Use a spreadsheet or financial app to track everything in one place. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your total liabilities from your total assets. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. It helps you allocate your money toward the things that matter most, like savings, investments, and debt repayment, while cutting back on unnecessary expenses. The key is to create a budget you can stick to, not one that feels overly restrictive. Budgeting isn't about sacrifice, it's about making your money work for you. Actionable tips. Use the 50/30/20 rule: 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Track your spending for 1 month to identify patterns and make adjustments. Consider using apps like Mint or YNAB to simplify budgeting and stay on track. One of the best ways to build wealth is to prioritize saving and investing before spending. This is called paying yourself first. By treating your savings like a non-negotiable expense, you're ensuring that your financial goals come before discretionary spending. It's a simple habit that has a big impact over time. Actionable tips. Automate a percentage of your income to go directly into a savings or investment account. Start small if necessary. Saving even 10% of your paycheck can make a difference. Increase your savings rate whenever your income rises. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, can eat away at your income and prevent you from building wealth. The sooner you eliminate it, the faster you can focus on growing your savings and investments. Getting out of debt requires focus and discipline, but the freedom it provides is worth it. Actionable tips. List all your debts, their balances, and interest rates. Use the avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first for momentum. Avoid taking on new debt while paying down existing balances. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise, like car repairs or medical bills. Financial security starts with having a cushion for life's surprises. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an accessible account. Actionable tips. Start with a small goal like $1,000 and build up from there. Keep your emergency fund in a separate high-yield savings account. Automate regular contributions to your emergency fund to make saving easier. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing is essential. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound growth. Focus on long-term strategies and avoid trying to time the market. Investing consistently, even with small amounts, can lead to significant wealth over time. So, here are some actionable tips. Open a brokerage account or retirement account, like a 401k or IRA. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for broad market exposure. And set up automatic monthly contributions to stay consistent and build your portfolio over time. Having multiple income streams is a game changer for building wealth. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky, especially in uncertain times. Financially successful people diversify their income through side hustles, investments, or businesses. The more income streams you have, the faster you can achieve financial independence. Here are some actionable tips. Identify a skill or passion you can monetize, like freelancing, tutoring, or selling products online. Invest in passive income opportunities such as dividend stocks or rental properties. And use extra income to pay off debt or grow your investments. Financial literacy is the foundation of wealth. The more you know about budgeting, investing, and saving, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. Financially successful people are lifelong learners. They read books, follow industry experts, and stay informed about money matters. Education isn't just about learning, it's about empowerment. So here are some actionable tips. Read one personal finance book per month, like The Millionaire Next Door or Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Follow trusted finance blogs, YouTube channels like YourFinanceLab, and podcasts. And take a free or low-cost online course on investing or financial planning. Building wealth is important, but protecting it is just as critical. Insurance, estate planning, and proper diversification safeguard your assets from risks like accidents, lawsuits, or market downturns. Financially savvy people prioritize protection to ensure their hard work isn't undone by unforeseen events. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, auto, and life insurance. Create a will or trust to protect your assets and ensure they're distributed according to your wishes. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and protect your portfolio. Financial success is a journey, not a destination. Regularly tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Celebrating milestones like paying off a debt or hitting a savings goal keeps you focused and inspired. Tracking progress ensures you're always moving closer to your goals. Actionable tips. Schedule monthly or quarterly financial reviews to assess your progress. Use tools like spreadsheets or financial apps to track your net worth, savings, and investments. Reward yourself for reaching key milestones in meaningful but budget-friendly ways. Building wealth takes time. It's not about quick wins, it's about consistent, disciplined effort over the long term. Financially successful people understand that patience is key, and they stay focused on their goals even when progress feels slow. Remember, wealth is built one step at a time. Actionable tips. Break down big financial goals into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every small win adds up. Stay consistent with your habits, even when you don't see immediate results. Taking control of your finances and building wealth isn't just a dream. It's a series of actionable steps you can start today. By following these 10 strategies, you'll create a strong foundation for financial success and a brighter future. Which strategy will you start with? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips from YourFinanceLab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.